The question is asking for the probability of pulling out a blue pen first and pulling out another blue pen after if Charlie replaces it in the bag. I will start by explaining the probability of pulling out the blue pen first. There are a total of 7 pens, so we can put 7 in the denominator because 7 is our total outcome. And then next, the probability of pulling a blue pen first is going to be 4/7 because there are 4 blue pens in the back. And then the probability of pulling a blue pen after the first pull with replacement, and the replacement means putting it back in the bag, is still gonna be 4/7. It's still going to be 4/7, so we have still 4/7 as our probability for pulling out a blue pen. So 4/7 is going to be our answer. I hope you understood my explanation, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.